Come test drive the 2003 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, cloth bucket seats, front wheel independent suspension. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.